Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Renpy launcher and creating a new project. This places a game/folder and default script. RPY. Next, you edit game/script. RPY, add label start, and basic scene, show, and say statements so the engine has an entry point. Make sure to save and run the project from the launcher to see immediate feedback. Once the game boots, return to the script to refine text, character definitions, and simple jumps. This establishes a working loop you can expand. Once your start label runs, define characters at the top. Character objects control names and styles. You use hex colors for text. Then implement control flow. Menus create choices, jumps move between labels, and persistent variables track state across scenes. When logic grows complex, encapsulate calculations in Python blocks and expose values to screens. Make sure to test each branch immediately so you catch script errors. Iterative runs are faster than guessing. As you add assets, reference file names exactly. To finish, integrate sprites, backgrounds, and music. Control transitions and timing to improve pacing. Then run the Renpy build process to create distributions for Windows, Mac OS, and Android, and test on each platform you intend to support. Make sure to check performance and file paths one more time. If something breaks, open the launcher logs and tracebacks. Renpy pinpoints script line errors and missing assets. A common fix is correcting indentation, label names, or file name typos. Fix, rebuild.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.